All right, quiet on set. Oh, Kyrie,
There's an owl in here. Okay, now after all of this, we're gonna have fun. Fun. I'm gonna be like, fun.
All right, come on. Introduce me, shorty. Quiet on set.
Quiet on set.
All volume on vibrate. If you're tired, be quiet.
Cut.
All right, action.
Hello, we have a friend.
First of all, let's get this together for one, okay?
You guys have an official show now.
Yeah, I am not your friend. I am not your friend. I'm not a guest either. I am the co-star of this show. So I need you to introduce me as such.
Let's restart
Put some
it.
respect on my name. Put some respect on my name.
Okay, let's redo it.
Action.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Oh, sorry. Hello, I'm back. Me. So we have someone. I'm not gonna tell you her name. But she's gonna come. Come. You come. You right there.
What's going
This
on,
is the
y'all?
girl.
You know the vibes. It's first of all, we're gonna have a talk because
Fun.
See, look. She's leaving. And I guess I have to do it too to go get her. All right, bring it back, sweetheart. Okay, so Aries, let's talk about Aries. Who am I to you?
My cousin.
And what show is this?
Cooking Cousins.
So don't be telling these people I'm no guest. Okay? Because I ain't no guest on my own show now. Co-star is cool. I don't have to have it. You feel me? It's, you know what I'm saying? This is us together because I'm Kamaya.
And I'm in.
And we are the
Cooking Cousins.